Hello everyone, today we are going to review the ongoing IPO of Nazara Technology. Nazara is coming up with an IPO of Rs 583 crore which is entirely an offer for sale, and the company would not be getting anything out of the proceeds. The issue period is from 17th to 19th March. Price band is Rs 1100 to 1101 per share and the lot size is 13 shares. NTL is leading India-based diversified gaming and sports media platform with presence in India and across emerging and developed global market, which is Africa and North America. Its offering include interactive games, gamified early learning ecosystems, mobile games, esports media, and skill-based fantasy and trivia games. NTL's expansion into global market has been strategic, both in terms of geographies as well as the timing of the entering into new market. Its growth is also driven by the strong tailwinds across the mobile gaming and esports in India. NTL has expanded its portfolio of business offering through multiple acquisitions and successfully integrated these business into the operations. As far as risks are concerned, NTL reported a restated loss in financial year 2020 and for the 6-month period ended September 30, 2020, and may incur additional losses in the future. NTL may not be able to effectively monetize its esports offerings, which adversely affects its business. NTL is a company with global operation and subject to risk and uncertainty. NTL's revenue has grown 19.9% CAGR over FY18 to FY20. EBITDA declined from Rs 586 million to 91 million, and company reported loss of 266 million in FY20, 101 million in H1 FY21. At upper band, NTL is valued at 5.9 times FY21 annualized EV by EBITDA and 16.3 times FY20 EV by EBITDA. No listed company in India in the same business. Thank you so much.